Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be giving you some quick tips on working with tab stops in Microsoft Word, which can make your sentences properly aligned. It's a very basic technique, but I still find many users are unaware of how to work with tab stops, and that's why I'm making this video. So let us say what I want to do is that I want to set up a question paper, and where next to each question I need to specify the marks. But only thing is that I want the mark to be right aligned in the same line in which my question ends. How to achieve this? What I find many users end up doing is that they use extra spaces. They use some extra space, they move the text to a desired position and then they leave it there. While this seems to be working well for us, it has a lot of limitations. For example, if you were to type any modification in your line and if you were to add few more letters, you would see your alignment goes for a toss. Not just that, even if you were to increase or decrease a font size, then you would see the alignment goes for a toss. How do we fix this? The simplest thing to do is to work with tab stops. That's what I'm going to illustrate now. So first let me get rid of these extra spaces. There are many ways to create a tab stop. The simplest way to do it is go to your ruler and click where you want the tab stop to be. By default, you get a tab stop. My default tab stop is right now set to left, what you see in this tab stop tool. I want it to be a right tab stop. So what I can simply do is double click on it. Now it says 6.63. Alignment is left. I'm going to change it to right. And I'll click OK. Now all I have to do is press a tab and you notice that my text has automatically gone to where it needs to be. Of course, it's not exactly the position where I want. What I can do is simply drag this tab stop from my ruler and position it where I want it to end. By doing this, what we can achieve is we can have a far better aligned line. So even now, if I make some changes here, you would notice that nothing happens. What if our change is so long? If my change is so long, let me just copy paste this line once more. You would notice that this automatically goes to the next line, the marks, and again it's perfectly right aligned in the next line without any troubles. And in fact, do you know, within one single line, you can have a left, center, and right tab stops. So which means you can have a left align, center align, and right align text all in one single line. How do we do it? So I'm going to create a new line now. See, in this line, I already have a right tab stop because it was there in the previous line. So when I pressed enter, it had come here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create one more tab stop, which is a left tab stop. And let me drag and put it to my current cursor position. And maybe at 3.5, I'm going to create a center tab. I click on this. It's created a left tab. Let me double click. And now I'm going to choose a 3.5 tab position and I'm going to change the alignment to not left but center. Click OK. So you can see here, when I type a text here, you notice that this is left aligned. The next one is center aligned. And the last one is going to be right aligned. All in one single line. We've got three different alignments thanks to the tab stops. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you. And I'll see you next time with a different video. Bye-bye.